Hello, my name is Katie McNiffe, and this is my project for my honors pre-calculus class on careers in mathematics. While deciding on a career to research, I looked for someone that I know that I admire, look up to, and am inspired by. I quickly sought out Brittany Love, a civil litigations lawyer and community servant leader. I first met her through Key Club, which who was a and she was an LTG for Key Club back in high school. She has continued to serve her community and is now a member of Kiwanis, the parent organization of Key Club. I myself served as a lieutenant governor last year, and I remember after meeting her being awed of seeing how successful she had turned out. Ms. Love works Monday through Friday as a civil litigations lawyer for Hartzell and Williams, PA. She spends 1 to 2 days in court giving case updates and reviewing different statuses of her clients. She spends the rest of her week managing cases. Ms. Love gathers data and evidence in order to gain a status of how to help her clients and win her cases. Every day, she researches different details about her case and how to bend the laws to make it work for her and her clients. She does this by looking at previous court cases and new legislation. As a civil litigations lawyer, she knows that everything has a price. She must know how to quantify something that has happened and make sure her clients are allotted their just amount. Here is a typical case. Ms. Love has a client 35 years old who is a mother of 3 kids, ages 6, 10, and 12. She is divorcing from the father and is requesting child support and spouse support. The mother has no college degree and was unable to find work, and for the last 6 months, she has been homeschooling her children. The father has a bachelor's degree in business, has a steady income, and makes $5,000 a month. Ms. Love's job is to calculate how much each person should receive and if after the divorce, and if after the divorce, she needs to make sure her client and her client's ex-husband is able to support themselves. So the father's income was $5,000, and the mother's monetary needs as a spouse is $650. She also needs $1,650 to support her 3 children. So the total monetary needs for her are $2,300. So if you subtract that from $5,000, which is the father's income, you get the father's final income of $2,700 per month, and you also get the mother's final income of $2,300 per month. This is just one thing she does every single day. Miss Love helps people during their darkest times. Civil litigation lawyers assess family law, personal injuries, as well as company and civil lawsuits. She helps these people get justice for what happened to them and make sure that they are okay. Without these lawyers, many people would not have the support they need. Ms. Love is currently working on a case, pro bono, for an unemployed woman with 5 children, one of whom has autism. Her husband divorced her and she was unable to support herself. Without the support and help from Ms. Love, clients like these would be unable to survive and help their families. This is why civil litigation lawyers are so very vital to their community. In high school, Ms. Love was an honors and AP student. She believes that taking the harder classes helped prepare her for college by teaching her to balance priorities and embrace and get used to the class rigor. The math and science credits she earned from her AP classes transferred over when she attended Notre Dame for her bachelor's degree, so she was immediately placed into Calculus 2. Her highest math in college was Calculus for Business. However, if she had not gotten AP credit, she would not have needed to take such a high math class. For a pre-law degree, in general, advanced math and science classes are not required to earn a degree. However, science courses like forensics, criminology, psychology, or sociology are recommended. In order to become a civil litigations lawyer, you must have a degree in law, which you would earn by attending a law school. Many civil litigation lawyers have a juris degree, also known as a JD. Most law students majored in pre-law at various undergraduate universities. However, majors can vary from English to engineering to political science. Depending on the school I would attend, my major would change. However, I would hope to be able to attend a law school afterwards after taking the LSAT. The undergraduate schools I would want to attend would be Duke University with a major in public policy, the University of Chicago with the major in laws, letters, and society, Rutgers University with a major in business, or UNC Chapel Hill with a major in public policy. A law school I would wish to attend afterwards would be Rutgers University at Newark, Wake Forest University, the University of Pennsylvania at Philly, or Duke University. Attending 7 years of school costs a lot of money, so I would have to apply for several different scholarships to limit my student debt. The ABA Legal Opportunity Scholarship Fund would provide $15,000 for my first year. The Lloyd M. Johnson Jr. Scholarship Program would provide $10,000 for each year of law school, which in total would be $30,000 overall. And the AAJ Trial Advocacy Scholarship would provide $3,000 for my first year as a law student. There are so many different law firms I could work at as a lawyer here in Concord. Lancaster and St. Louis PLLC is one. Kuntz Hawkins Nixon and Miller LLC is another, and Baker Billick PA is yet another. In conclusion, Ms. Love is a role model, and she has been a mentor to me for the last year. I am very thankful that she has invested in me, and I hope to be able to provide the same guidance to other members of my community once I become a civil litigations lawyer.